Well, who's the patient?
Michael.
Michael, you better sit down. Let Luke fix you up. Okay, you're the doctor. Oh, is that his temperature? Good job. He's got to get a shot? Oh, my. Oh! Got to listen to his heart?
Yeah, I have to do this. See, it has a heart.
Oh.
Hot.
Yes.
Now, hot and hot.
Let him listen to your heart. Make sure you're doing okay. Very nice. Does he sound good?
Yeah. Now I'm not really good.
You're going to put a Band-Aid on?
I have to do this.
Oh, the blood pressure. Yes.
Blood pressure. Okay. Okay.
Very good job. Michael, don't touch your nose. Very good.
There. Now I have to get it off. Now, time to you. Yep. Sit down.
Now you have a Band-Aid and you're all fixed up, huh?
See it already. Go get me a cookie. No, a cookie.
A cookie? All right. You get a cookie?
Yeah.
Tell him thank you.
Thank you.
Now Michael's the doctor. Listen to his heart. Oh, very good job.